Hello guys, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to install the Blueman app for Bluetooth and how to start your Bluetooth service uh, and how to add it into the system startup. So that's why every time you restart your computer, it automatically start the service. You don't have to manually start it every time. And for my Dell XPS 15, the Bluetooth app is already installed. However, it didn't start automatic, and every time I restart it, I have to manually start the Bluetooth service. So I'll show you how to fix that if you have a Dell XPS 15 that running Debian Linux. So first, if you don't have the Blueman app installed on your Debian Linux, first we're gonna install the um, Blueman for the Bluetooth service, and it's gonna prompt you to enter your password. Okay, as you see, I already have the newest version installed in my system, so that's why you see it's 0 upgraded and 0 newly installed. So next, we're gonna start a Bluetooth service. You can start with sudo and etc flash init.d and flash Bluetooth star. So as you see, the Bluetooth icon already started here, and in order for it to start automatic, we have to add it into the system control. So every time the system start up, it including the startup services, it automatically start a Bluetooth DOS service. You don't have to manually start it. So we're gonna do that by using the sudo command, and then sys control. System control, and we're gonna enable Bluetooth. And as you see, when we're executing the command, it create a symlink for system MD, which when you restart your command, when you restart your system, the Bluetooth services are automatically started. So let's test it out. So Bluetooth enable, we're gonna connect it. I'm gonna connect it with my Sony headphone. Device connect. And there we go, it's connected. In order to change the sound to my Bluetooth headphone, we're gonna click on the sound icon here. Right now it's currently using the built-in, and I'm gonna switch it to my Sony WH-1000 XM4, and voila, it's working now. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, leave us in the comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you think the tutorial is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.